everyone, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be doing an animal print flower set. I didn't quite know what to call it, so I'm going to be using this Madame Glam polish. So this is called Blueberry Cream. I do have a 30% off Madame Glam code. I will put it on the screen and I have a direct link in the description box. So I'm pretty sure I apply just one coat of this. I can't remember, but yeah, the Madame Glam polishes cure in my lamp for 30 seconds. So I will just apply this and then I will show you what else we're going to be using today. And so I'm going to be using a foil and doing some stamping as well in this one. So I will just speed this up a little bit and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so they are all cured. I'm going to be using the Macart foil glue today. So I cured this for 60 seconds in my lamp. Oh, this is the foil I'm going to be using. I bought this a while ago off of AliExpress, the Born Pretty store. It's a really pretty foil. As soon as I saw this, I was like, oh, yes, I've got to use it in this design. So what I do with my Macart foil glue, I place an even layer on, making sure to obviously get all the sides and everything. And I cure it for 60 seconds and I leave it to stand sort of a minute to 2 minutes, just because I find that the cooler it is, the more stickier it is. So yeah, but that is what I do, and then I will apply the foil. I will speed it up. I just place it on the nail and I kind of like rub it up the center, and then I do the sides, detach it from the sides first because I find it easier to do that. So I place it on and then I kind of try my best. I sort of stretch it as I'm putting it on, I rub it along the middle, and then I go down the sides and try and detach it from the sides first, because I find detaching it from the sides and then working the rest of it is easier for me. But you do it whichever way you want to do it, and I just use my fingers, but you can use whatever you feel comfortable using. And yep, I will just continue to apply these and then I shall come back. Okay, so these two nails I'm going to do the stamping on. So I'm going to apply the Velvet Matte Top Coat from Madame Glam. And so these are the stamping plates I'm going to be using today. I'm just showing you that I'm going to be using the chain and the animal print to kind of tie in with the foil. And I'm also going to be using this stamping plate from Beauty Big Bang. I do have a discount code for Beauty Big Bang. I will try and remember to put it on the screen. If I do forget, I'll either put it at the end, but it's always in my description box anyway. And I'm going to be using the SheModern sticky stamping polishes. The Pearl Peacock isn't available anymore, but they do have a peacock one. And I'm going to be using the opaque black and the metallic gold, because I thought that would tie in with the foil. And I'm also going to be using their reinforced clear jelly stamper as well. So you see me do stamping lots of times, but this stuff is amazing. If you are having trouble, or you know, you have them stamping plates which is just awkward, or you're new, this stuff really is amazing. It gives you that window where you can go slower. So I have left some of this in real time and slightly sped up other parts of it, but you've seen me do it lots of times. This is in real speed here. I thought I would just show you how slow that I'm going, just so you can get an idea of, you know, sort of like how long you have to sort of like be able to sort of like place it. So yeah, I just decide where I'm going to place it and then just place it on the nail. So I will continue doing some stamping and then I will come back. Okay, so here I'm going to be using the peacock blue one. It's absolutely, oh, it's so pretty. So I'm going to be using these flowers because I thought they tied in quite well with the other flowers, which is on the foil. So I just stamp here and pick it up. I do actually remove a tiny little bit of the petal, but I just went with it. I just went with it. I couldn't be bothered to sort of like pick up another image. I just went with it. It worked. It turned out fine anyway. So yeah, so I just decide where I want it and then I stamp it on the nail, and then I will pick up another one. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm going to clean the image off and then pick it up again, because it's always best, if you're going to use the same image twice, it's always best to just wipe off the stamping plate, and especially because this is sticky stamping polish as well, it does get very sticky. I have used it where I haven't cleaned off the plate, but yeah, you should do it properly. Don't do what I do. So yep, I picked this up and then I'm going to add some glitter to this, because obviously, as the name says, it's sticky, so it dries with a sticky layer. So I'm going to be using the blue peacock, absolutely stunning glitter, and this is also from SheModern. So I will just sprinkle a small amount, because you only need a really small amount. So I will put that on top of the images. Sorry, put that on top of the images, and then I will push my finger into it to kind of push the glitter into the image, but try not to move your finger around because you might smear the image. So just make sure it's definitely in there. Sometimes I like to sort of like do tiny circular motions just to kind of like buff it in to ensure it's definitely in there, and then I just get another brush and then I wipe it off. Okay, I will continue and then I shall come back. Okay, I'm going to be going in with the gold metallic now. I'm not going to apply any glitter or anything to this, but you could once you've stamped it. So I'm just going to use this chain image off of this stamping plate, just as I said, to just tie it in with like the chains that is on the foil. So I will just decide where I'm going to put that, stamp it on, and then I will stamp some animal print at the bottom of it to tie it in with the rest. Okay. Okay, so this is the set finished. I'm going to apply the velvet matte top coat to the two foil nails just because I think that they looked really nice matted, and then I will use the SheModern satin top coat for the other two nails, just because the satin top coat is such a nice top coat. It's kind of like, it gives you the glossy look but not really like in your face. The glare is not really harsh. So yeah, I really do like this top coat. It's really nice. So I will I'm just showing you here what it says on the front and the back, and then I will put that in lamp and I will cure it for 60 seconds, and then that is this one done. Well, let me know your thoughts down below on how this one turned out. I actually really like how this turned out. I was really happy with how it all tied together. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, and I will have pictures and discount codes at the end. And yeah, just let me know your thoughts down below. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching today. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that like button so more people see my videos, because that's how YouTube works. And yep, I hope you all have a great day, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.